Are you a fan of the game Rock, Paper, Scissors? Yes, me too. Today's is day 14 of the 100 Days Python Programming Challenge. And today I'm going to show you how you can create your own little game for you and your friends to play. So, Rock, Paper, Scissors Challenge, here we go. Day 14. Welcome to day 14 of programming. And do I have something fun for you to do? We're going to play a fun game, rock, paper, scissors game. I'm not really like a professional because I don't think I've ever played this game with somebody in my life. That is very sad. But back to the game. So rock, paper, scissors. Based on what I've heard, scissors cuts paper and rock breaks scissors, something like that. So I want to play a game with the program where the user enters whether they're choosing rock or paper or scissors, and then the computer selects like a random choice. And then if I choose rock and the computer chooses scissors, then I win. If I choose scissors and the computer chooses paper, then I win. And we go on and on and on and on and on again. So I want the choice to be random, so I would be importing the random model. I want the computer to choose at random. So let's import random. And then the choices that a person can choose from, the choices are rock, paper, and scissors. And I'm going to put that in a list. So we have first rock, and then we have paper, and then we have scissors. Scissors. Okay. So now I want to use the random to be able to choose the random choice. So I want the computer to choose randomly from that and then compare with my result so I can beat the computer. So then I have random, which we imported here. Random that we imported here, and then I want to choose from here. So random dot choices, just choice, sorry, dot choice, and then choices. And now we have set up for the computer. This is what we're choosing from, and this is the computer choosing a random choice. So now I want to get my inputs. We're not building a graphic user interface from this. It's just going to be as simple as getting the choice from the user, and then we're comparing it to whatever the program choose, and then choose the winner. So I want to input the either rock, paper, or scissors. So this is the input that's taking the choices from the users, and then it converts it into a lower undercase. So now we'll be using 3 if conditions. So if, else, and else. So if the first instance is that what if my choice is the same as the computer's choice, which is possible. We can both choose paper, we can both choose rock, or we can both choose scissors. So if our choices are the same, I want it to print out that it's a tie and then there is no winner. So if our choices are the same, so print that we both chose this and then it's a tie. And then we'll then have our F choices to determine the winner. So the first F choice that we would have is that if I chose rock and the computer chose scissors, that means I win. But then there are also multiple instances of the choice. What if I chose scissors and then the computer chose paper, for example? So then I also have to have that in my off condition. That it's possible to have this or it's possible to have this. So these are just instances when there's a winner. So if rock is more than scissors, scissors then paper, and then the final one is then paper and rock. Oh yeah, paper covers rock. I forgot that. I've never played this game before. And then the final one is if I choose paper and then the computer chooses rock, and then it has to show that I win. But I also would like to know what the computer chose so I know what I'm actually winning. So I want it to print that I win, and then print my choice, and then the computer's choice. And then the final else is that if it's none of these two, that means that I lost, and I want it to print that I lost. Come on, come back. Okay. Indentation is important. You have to indent your code properly, otherwise it will fail. So this is our code. We imported random, and then these are the choices we're choosing from, and then the computer's choice is random. So it chooses randomly from here. And then it gets my choice by using the input statement. You want to learn more about input? We talked about that on day 2. So you should check out that video. And we also talked about the if statement. If you want to learn about the if, else, and else, if else, and else, you should check out day 4. So if my choice is equal to computer's choice is a tie. If I choose rock and scissors, or scissors and it chooses paper, and then it chooses rock, then I win. And if I don't do any of this, that means I lose. So if I run this and then enter my choice, it's paper. Oh, we both chose paper. And then let's see if I choose rock now. We both choose rock. Why are we choosing the same thing every time? And if I choose paper, I lose because scissors beats paper. So the computer chooses scissors and I chose paper. And if I run this again, and now I'm choosing rock, I win! Rock beats scissors. And if I play this again, paper, oh, now I lose. So this is a simple fun game of rock, paper, scissors. We use the input random, and then this is a way to practice the if statement and also the input statement. So we learned about import module here, how to and also the input function and also the if statement. Nice game. Let me know if you try it. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you were able to learn something from it. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And don't forget to also try the practice questions that are in the Jupyter notebook and put your solutions in the comment section. Let's build a community together. As always, the link to that notebook is in the description below. And I'll see you tomorrow.